Want to know how much your 10,000 ADA could be worth by 2025? You won't believe the potential ADA has in the next bull run. Make sure you watch this video until the end because you do not want to miss this opportunity. But before we continue with the video, if you guys want to trade crypto, you can do so with BloFin. And if you register with my link below, you have a chance to win up to $5,000 in bonuses. At the time of recording, Cardano was trading at 44 cents. It had a high market cap of about $15.6 billion. At this price, you can buy 10,000 ADA at about $4,400 in total. Its all-time high value is approximately $3.10, reached at the height of the bull run market in 2021. Its lowest value is about $0.019, seen as far back as 2020. Experts have varying opinions on ADA's price trajectory for the 2024 bull run. Like other cryptocurrencies, ADA is expected to perform significantly by the end of 2024. On average, experts predict ADA could reach $1, which they consider a worst-case scenario given the current market conditions. For ADA, expectations have been high for several months, with 2025 anticipated to be a breakthrough year. There are lofty projections for ADA to reach as high as $5. Holding about 10,000 ADA tokens would make you at least $50,000 at that price. It would also become the token's new all-time high value. So far, in 2024, ADA has surged to nearly 70 cents per coin, and that was around the time Bitcoin was primed to break the $70,000 price level. One notable aspect of ADA is its resilience through past bearish markets. It remains one of the strongest utility tokens due to its relatively stable price activity. The 2022 bear market left many cryptocurrencies down in the dumps, and it was quite interesting to see Cardano stick quite close to the dollar, although it had fallen way short of its actual historical high. And a lot of this has to do with the strong fundamentals that back the token, even beyond mere speculations. Cardano is a permissionless, decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain. Initially, it positioned itself against BTC and Ethereum. Like many blockchain-based tokens, ADA is essential for running Cardano's POS mechanism. Participants in the blockchain's activities, such as investing in a stake pool, can earn ADA as rewards, benefiting active users holding a substantial amount of ADA tokens. Cardano is not necessarily a low-cap coin, it definitely is not. To buy just 1,000 units of the coin, you'd be shelling out at least $400 right now. And if that is all you own right now, I wouldn't advise you invest your life savings. This may not mean much for those who have spent a long time in the crypto space and made a lot of money, and can afford to spare such an amount. Still, Cardano is a good bet, even if you own just $50 in capital or maybe $100. You can get up to 100 ADA with about $44. When the price hits about $5 per token, you can brag profits up to $200. However, that is the far end of the speculation. At minimum, we can expect some profits of about 2x of our investment if the coin reaches about $1.50 per ADA. If $100 is what you can afford to put in at a time, you'd be up more than twice your capital. At that price, 10,000 ADA will be worth about $15,000, which is about $11,000 more than the total buying value at the current price. This may mean more to those with a larger capital margin, but if you are just looking to build your investment portfolio, it is also a good bet. This project has always been interesting from the beginning, and it has remained one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the world. In a way, the actual target for Cardano is a return to a previous all-time high. It was back in 2021 when the coin pumped to about $3. Therefore, the current price of the ADA token at 44 cents is a good buy-in price to gather and hold the token before the next big swing comes in the altcoin market, which will also carry Cardano. Back then, Cardano struggled to maintain high prices, experiencing a rapid decline from around $3 to $2, then further to about $1.20 as investors took profits. A brief recovery to $1.50 occurred in January 2022, but didn't last long. The coin gradually declined to as low as 30 cents by December 2022 amid a massive bear run in the crypto market. Throughout most of 2023, ADA traded between 30 cents and 50 cents, disappointing investors who had hoped it would reach $1. These expectations have now shifted to 2024, anticipating a market-wide bull run. Speculations suggest that ADA could surge to around $4 to $5 within 2 years, a remarkable 10x increase from its current value. The anticipated bull run is expected to propel the market to new heights, validating the extensive efforts in building the Cardano ecosystem and leading to massive adoption. With the upcoming bull run, there's heightened optimism that these price targets are achievable, anticipating a significant boost in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. If you can accumulate as much as 10,000 ADA coins, with the coin trading between $2 to $5, you could see your portfolio valued between $20,000 and $50,000. However, a more modest prediction proposes a noteworthy price of about $2.70 for ADA. If the bull run resumes, I would approximate this to $3 as a round figure, achievable by 2025. You'd be at least 6x up on your current investment at that price. On this channel, we advise against letting greed influence your investment decisions. You might need to weigh whether to cash out in the short term when you have significant profits or hold on for the long term. This way, you can grow from as little as $100 to more than $500. That's a good profit no matter how you look at it. Alternatively, you can play it by ear and hold on for a much longer time, say 4 to 5 years. If you're holding about 10,000 ADA, your portfolio could be worth $100,000 if the coin reaches $10. This is a substantial amount if you ask me. Imagine if you could hold even more. The Cardano ecosystem has a lot more potential as it aims to rival Ethereum. Recently, there has been a marked increase in the number of smart contracts observed in the Cardano blockchain, which means greater coin utility. We have also seen an increase in its DeFi utility, with some Layer 2 tokens and meme coins gradually finding a home in the space now provided by Cardano. It is useful at every level of Cardano's dual-layered architecture, that is, the Cardano settlement layer, which manages accounts and balances, validated by the Ouroboros consensus mechanism, and the Cardano computing layer, executes computations for blockchain applications through smart contracts. Developers who are also looking to build credible projects on a blockchain that is on paper more stable, cheaper, and faster than Ethereum. Unlike Ethereum-based tokens, ADA native assets don't rely on smart contracts, sharing the same secure architecture as ADA. This approach positions ADA native assets as first-class citizens on the blockchain, potentially offering enhanced security and reduced transaction fees. Well, as Cardano evolves, ADA's price action will improve not only as a digital currency, but as a fundamental element contributing to the growth and sustainability of the Cardano ecosystem. And that is more money for you and me. Please note that this is not financial advice. The cryptocurrencies we discuss here are mere suggestions. Therefore, you are advised to do your own research before deciding to invest your money, especially if you like Cardano. That's all I have for you today. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.